Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out this juicer. It is a cold press slow juicer that you can, use to juice fruits and vegetables. If you're new to juicing, I highly recommend this because it's very simple. I'm no good at setting up anything really, but I'm no good at setting up little appliances or anything like that. And I actually had no trouble putting this together myself, aside from one little thing, which I will share with you when we get there. But this is what the juicing jug, I guess, looks like. It does come with the 2 cups as well. And then here's the appliance itself, which is very sleek looking. It looks nice on the countertop. You don't have to shove it away in a cupboard if you don't want to. Here is the juicer. You've got the very sharp blades that are going to be used to kind of tear up the fruit or vegetables to separate the juice from the actual flesh and skin and the parts that you don't want in your juice. It's really cool to see them separate while it's juicing. So the flesh and the unwanted pieces are gonna come out the side here, this little spout, and then you're gonna put your second cup here to catch all the delicious juice. So the one thing that tricked me a little bit was getting this jug to fit snugly in the lock position. If you do not have it snug, the machine will not work, which is a great safety feature. You do have to start the jug with the arrow over in the unlock position, press down, and then slide it over until it locks into place. And that is considered fully locked. So we're back at it. Let's make some juice. I do want to mention, don't be thinking you're going to add a few strawberries and have a banana and get enough juice to drink. You need a lot of fruit. So that is one thing to note about this juicer. I recommend going to like the produce department at your local grocery store and finding the reduced fruit, because they're going to be even juicier and you can juice them more easily than the super ripe ones anyway, and they're cheaper. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be putting in 3 large strawberries, 2 blackberries, and a whole kiwi, and we're going to see how much juice we get. I'm just popping them right into the jug. I'm actually going to add half an apple too. We're simply going to press go and watch the magic happen. So I just wanted to show you kind of how loud it is, and I'll just take a little break here to show you what's going on. So the fruit is obviously being crushed down with the blades. Soon you're going to see some juice come out of this spout, and if there's any unwanted bits of juice, they're going to come out of this spout. So let's continue. Okay, so as you can see, this is how much juice we got. It's not a lot. You do need to refill the jug probably multiple times in order to get a good cup full of juice. But this is the cool part over here. All of the kind of flesh and skin of any of the fruits that you have juiced are separated and then collected into this cup. So it's really, really handy. You don't have to get your hands all dirty at all. There we have our fresh juice. Oh my God. It is so freaking good. It is worth every minute of juicing. You want to try it, honey? Yeah. Holy crap, that's good. Strawberries, kiwis, and apples are my go-to. If you jam this thing full of that like 3 times in a row, you should get a decent sized glass of juice. I love that there's no added ingredients. It's just fruit. You can also throw in vegetables. You can be super creative. There are a ton of recipes available. To clean this machine, it does take a little bit of work. However, the package does come with cleaning tools that make it a lot easier. You've got all the gunk from the fruits in there, so it does take a little bit of effort to clean, but the cleaning tools, which I cannot find right now, make it a lot easier, so definitely recommend using those. And yeah, if you want to start your juicing journey, I would definitely recommend this one. Super simple, easy to use, even for those who find little appliances challenging. Thank you, Aobasi, for sending me this awesome juicer. I love it.